Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Satay, a delicious journey through Indonesian culture and flavor. When you think of Indonesian cuisine, satay likely comes to mind. This beloved dish isn't just a tasty treat, it represents a rich part of Indonesia's cultural heritage. Skewered and grilled to perfection, satay is enjoyed by locals and visitors alike, making it a staple at celebrations and everyday meals. In this video, we'll uncover what makes satay so special and how it has gained popularity around the world. From its origins to the various regional styles, you'll discover why this simple dish has become a global favorite. Whether you're new to satay or looking to deepen your appreciation, there's plenty to explore. Get ready to take a flavorful journey through Indonesia's culinary landscape. History of satay. Satay is much more than just a dish, it's a reflection of Indonesia's vibrant culture and history. Understanding where satay comes from and how it has transformed over time offers valuable insight into its significance in Indonesian life. Cultural origins. Satay is believed to have originated in Java, one of Indonesia's largest islands. Some historians speculate that the concept of skewered and grilled meat was influenced by Middle Eastern kebabs brought by traders and immigrants, who introduced the technique to Java centuries ago. Over time, Indonesians adapted the dish to suit their local tastes, incorporating native spices and ingredients into the marinades. In Java, satay was not just a dish but an experience. Street vendors carrying portable grills, known as kaki lima, would fan the flames while the aroma of sizzling meat filled the air. These vendors were fixtures at markets, festivals, and celebrations, creating an atmosphere where food and community intertwined seamlessly. In different provinces, satay evolved to reflect local traditions. Balinese satay, known as Sate Lilit, uses minced meat wrapped around skewers made from lemongrass stalks, offering a fragrant twist. In Jakarta, peanut sauce became a defining element, reflecting the city's love for rich, nutty flavors. Beyond its culinary appeal, satay became part of Indonesia's cultural fabric. In rural areas, villagers gathered to prepare satay together for weddings, harvest festivals, and religious celebrations, reinforcing bonds and highlighting the importance of shared meals in community life. Historical evolution. The evolution of satay parallels Indonesia's history of trade, migration, and cultural exchange. Early versions were incredibly simple, just seasoned meat cooked over a fire. However, Indonesia's abundant natural resources, including spices like turmeric, coriander, and galangal, gradually transformed satay into a more complex and flavorful dish. Colonialism also left its mark. Dutch colonists developed a taste for satay and introduced it to Europe, where it evolved into skewered appetizers served at social events. In the modern era, satay can be found everywhere from roadside stalls to high-end restaurants, a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Today, chefs experiment with fusion satay, incorporating global flavors while respecting traditional techniques. Yet, at its heart, satay remains a humble dish, one that connects people to Indonesia's rich history with every bite. Global influence. Indonesian satay's global journey is a story of migration and culinary diplomacy. As Indonesian communities settled in neighboring Malaysia, Singapore, and the Netherlands, they brought satay with them, adapting it to local palates. In Malaysia, for instance, the peanut sauce tends to be thicker, sweeter, and spicier, often served with ketupat, or rice cakes, and cucumber. In Western countries, satay evolved into popular appetizers at Asian-themed restaurants. Its portability and versatility made it ideal for festivals and street food markets, where the smoky aroma easily drew crowds. In fusion cuisine, satay has inspired everything from skewered sliders to satay-flavored tacos, blending cultures through food. This global reach underscores how Sate's story is not confined to Indonesia. It's a dish that transcends borders, becoming a symbol of culinary connection in a world hungry for flavor and tradition. Types of satay. Across Indonesia's vast archipelago, satay takes on countless forms, each showcasing local ingredients, customs, and culinary creativity. Let's explore the most beloved variations. Sate Ayam, chicken satay. Sate Ayam is Indonesia's most iconic and widely enjoyed satay. Tender chicken pieces are marinated in a fragrant blend of turmeric, garlic, coriander, and sweet soy sauce before being skewered and grilled over open flames. The charred edges contrast beautifully with the juicy, flavorful interior. Street vendors in Java serve Sate Ayam with generous dollops of rich, creamy peanut sauce, often accompanied by rice cakes and slices of cucumber. The smoky aroma and irresistible blend of sweet, savory, and nutty flavors make it a crowd favorite at family gatherings, celebrations, and festivals alike. Sate Kambing, goat satay. For the more adventurous palate, Sate Kambing offers a bold, earthy flavor. Goat meat, known for its distinct taste, is marinated with garlic, coriander, cumin, and lime juice to tenderize and enhance its natural flavors. In regions like Jakarta, goat satay is a popular choice for festive occasions and religious holidays. The grilling process caramelizes the edges while keeping the meat tender, and it's often served with kecap mayonnaise, a thick, sweet soy sauce infused with shallots and chili, adding layers of flavor to each bite. Sate baby, pork satay. Particularly popular in Bali and parts of Sumatra, Sate baby showcases the influence of Chinese Indonesian cuisine. Pork is marinated in a blend of garlic, soy sauce, and honey, creating a caramelized glaze when grilled. In Bali, where Hindu traditions permit pork consumption, Sate baby is a cultural and culinary staple at temple festivals and ceremonies, symbolizing prosperity and abundance. The succulent skewers pair perfectly with tangy tomato sambal or fresh pineapple salsa. Sate tahu, tofu satay. As plant-based dining gains popularity, Sate tahu offers a delicious vegetarian option. Firm tofu absorbs a flavorful marinade of soy sauce, lime, garlic, and chili before being grilled to perfection. The resulting satay is crisp on the outside, tender on the inside, and often served with peanut sauce or sweet soy glaze. Other variants. Coastal communities excel at seafood satay, skewering prawns, squid or fish marinated in zesty lime, garlic and chili paste. Beef and lamb satay offer even more variety, reflecting the preferences of different ethnic and religious communities across Indonesia. Every satay variation, from the simplest chicken skewer to elaborate seafood feasts, is a love letter to Indonesia's culinary diversity. Preparation and cooking techniques. Great satay begins with great marinade. Every region has its secret recipes, but common elements include garlic, turmeric, coriander, lemongrass, chili, soy sauce, and palm sugar. Marinating for hours, sometimes overnight, allows these flavors to penetrate deeply. Grilling is both art and ritual. The skewers are grilled over hot charcoal, the flames licking the edges while the vendor fans the coals to control the heat. Basting with leftover marinade or coconut oil ensures the satay remains juicy while developing that signature smoky crust. The result is a perfect balance, tender meat with crisp edges, each bite infused with smoke, spice, and sweetness. Serving suggestions. Satay is rarely served alone. Classic accompaniments include peanut sauce, rich with roasted nuts and aromatic spices. Fresh cucumber salad to cleanse the palate. Rice cakes or ketupat, perfect for soaking up sauce. Spicy sambal for those who crave heat. A squeeze of lime for brightness. Together, they create a symphony of flavors, textures and aromas. Satay in contemporary culture. From bustling street vendors to high-end dining, satay embodies Indonesia's culinary spirit. It stars in cultural festivals like Independence Day and Eid, where families gather to grill satay together. It fuels late-night cravings in Jakarta's vibrant street food scene. It even finds its way into modern fusion cuisine, proving its timeless appeal. More than food, satay is community, the smoky aroma weaving through conversations, laughter, and shared memories. Satay holds a special place in Indonesian culture and beyond. Its rich flavors speak to the heart of community and togetherness, making it a staple in festivities and everyday life. So why not explore this delicious dish yourself? Taste the tradition and diversity that satay represents, and see how it brings people together around the table. Your culinary adventure awaits. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.